I request Principal Mrs. N. Swarnalata to kindly come on to the dais. I invite Chairman Mr. N. Ramakrishna to please join us on the stage. And now, it's my privilege to invite our respected chief guest, Mohammad Ismail, Deputy Officer, to kindly come forward and take a seat on the dais. Host of this institution, our respected Principal, Mrs. N. Swarnalata, to kindly address the gathering and share a few words on this special occasion.
Good evening to everyone present here. I am G. Swarnalata, the principal of Bachpan School. And also we got the permission from the Telangana government to run the school up to class 10. That is Annapurna Vidyaniketan School, a school of excellence. The chief guest is going to arrive. The Assistant Deputy Officer, Mohammad Ismail sir, we are eagerly waiting for him. He is on the way. Respected chief guest, Mohammad Ismail sir, Honorable Chairman N. Ramakrishna, respected parents, teachers, and my beloved students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 3rd annual day celebrations of Bachpan School. Our school has now completed 4 academic years, and with every passing year, we continue to grow stronger. When we started this journey, our vision was so simple: to create a place where children feel happy, safe, excited to learn happy. Step by step, with the support of parents and the dedication of our teachers, that vision is slowly becoming a reality. Every year, we hope to welcome more children into our school. It is truly heartwarming to see the trust and encouragement we receive from our parents. When we started this school in 2022, we got the admissions only 30. Our school has developed, now today it's 120, only because we are not trusting on the education to make them learn from alphabets or numbers. We are making them learn beyond the textbook. I need some excuse in my speech. Our Assistant Deputy Sir, Mohammad Ismail Sir, has arrived. Please give him a very big applause. Sir, kindly welcome you to on the stage.
It is time to hear from our honored guest. I request our respected chief guest, Mohammad Ismail sir, address the gathering and share a few valuable words with us.
Respected Swarnalata garu, principal and correspondent of this Bachpan School, and here present all the parents and dear students and staff of Bachpan School. Very good evening. I am very happy to attend this occasion. As you all of know, this is the holy month of Ramzan, so we are fasting these days. So నాకు టైం లేక కూడా నేను మేడం కోసం నేను ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను. ఏంటంటే ఈ మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు చాలా చక్కగా పిల్లల్ని చదువు చెప్తున్నారు, మంచి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇస్తున్నారనేసి నేను దగ్గరుండి చూశాను. సో నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం ఉంది ఈ బచ్పన్ స్కూల్ అంటే. అందువల్లే నేను చెప్పిన మేడంకి నాకు టైం లేదు మేడం, నేను చాలా బిజీ షెడ్యూల్లో ఉన్నానంటే కూడా రావాలంటే నేను మేడంకి రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇచ్చుకుంటా నేను ఇక్కడికి రావడం జరిగింది. సో మీరు కూడా పిల్లలకి పంక్చువాలిటీతో ఈ స్కూల్కి పంపండి. నేను పేరెంట్స్ని రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే, టైంకి స్కూల్కి పంపిస్తే ఏంటంటే పిల్లల భవిష్యత్. ఈ స్కూల్ ఈజ్ ఎ టెంపుల్. టైంకి పంపించి సంస్కారం అయితే పిల్లలు ఇంట్లో చదువుతారు, నేర్చుకుంటారు సంస్కారం. నాకు తెలుగు అంత మంచిగా రాదు. సో సంస్కారం పిల్లలు ఇంట్లో చదువుతారు, నేర్చుకుంటారు. చదువు బడిలో మనకి వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి పిల్లల్ని కూడా టీచర్స్తో ఎట్లా ఉండాలి, సొసైటీలో ఎట్లా ఉండాలి, ఇది ముఖ్యమైన విషయం. సో పేరెంట్స్ని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను ఏంటంటే పిల్లలకి మంచి మేనర్స్, క్యారెక్టర్స్ నేర్పియండి. రెస్పెక్ట్ అనేది వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ. సో బచ్పన్ స్కూల్ కూడా చాలా మేడం వాళ్ళు చాలా కష్టపడుతున్నారు, మీ పిల్లలకి మంచి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇస్తున్నారు. కాబట్టి అండ్ చాలా అంటే సొసైటీలో అట్లాంటివి స్కూల్స్ చూడాలంటే చాలా కష్టమే ఉంది. కాబట్టి అండ్ ఇది థర్డ్ యాన్యువల్ డే అనేసి అంటున్నారు మేడం. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది, చాలా మంచిగా అనిపిస్తుంది. అండ్ ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ మేడం. పిల్లలకి కూడా నేను చాలా ఆశీర్వాదం ఇస్తూ ఈ మాటకి వినిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and encouraging words.
Principal Mrs. N. Swarnalata to continue with the speech.
I request our chairman, sir, N. Ramakrishna, to come on to the dais. Our chief guest, Muhammad Ismail, sir, has cooperated me from the first academic year in each and every area. And yet the school has established to not to give the education of memorizing what we have learnt past 30 years or 20 years, only memorizing. But in today's generation, if a child has memorized each and everything, we cannot compete with the world. We have to learn in each and everything. Our school has established for learning, not giving memorizing. That is the reason we conduct more activities. We are back in academics, but we give the education in an exact way. What the child learned, he should not forget. What he learned in the June, he should not forget in the February. It happens only in the learning. What he learned in the June, he cannot memorize in the February. It happens only in the memorizing. Our education is beyond the textbook. When the CC pattern has came 10 years back, the papers today generation are facing so many problems because what they learned in the nursery is the memorizing. They cannot able to give the answers. But today our first class child, he can able to read the textbook. Textbook reading is not at all easy for the first class child. He is only 5 years. My concept, he or the student has to learn and understand the concept in the third class. If he start in the third class by learning and understanding the concept, he will be perfect by learning slowly. Maybe he get the less marks, but learning and understanding the concept is more important. Up to 6th class, he can understand the concept. Then it is very easy to give any answers in the question paper. Our school is beyond the textbook. Once again, I want to tell you, throughout the academic year, we organize many activities that help children learn beyond textbook. We also celebrated August 15, Children's Day, Teachers' Day Independence Day, Republic Day, many cultural festivals, so that our children learn about our traditions and values from young age. Not only celebrating the festivals, we also make them to learn what is the festival. Maybe it's Independence Day or Republic Day or Teachers' Day or maybe the Diwali or anything. Along with celebrations, we conduct various competitions and activities for the students, which help them build confidence and express their talents. Sometimes the smallest achievements of children bring the greatest joy. Today we have seen that nursery student. Not only this, our children learn slokas, and also they have implemented the padyalu. The UKG and LKG child, they cannot able to pronounce the Telugu properly, but they have learnt. Our students also learn slokas, rhymes, and many creative activities. Every year we receive wonderful appreciation from parents for the progress of their children. Everything happens, maybe the science fair which we has held in the month of January. We have, in the 4 academic years, we completed 3 science fairs, and this is the 3rd annual day. This is the achievement of the Bachpan. One of the most exciting part of our school activities is our science fair. It is the one of a very big milestone of our school. It is always inspiring to see students from nursery to class 3, maybe the first class child, he doesn't know about he or she doesn't know about the heart or maybe the blood cells, but they learn from their parents. The parents can also learn from their child. With the help and encouragement of teachers, children come forward and present their work with great enthusiasm. At times in this journey, we may feel that progress is slow or that nothing much is happening. But then a parent comes and says something simple like, "My child has started speaking English confidently. My child is now eager to come to school every day." And one more thing, our school speciality is every day the same routine studies will not be there. We have the different curriculum. Activities one of the day and slokas one of the day. And also this year we implemented yoga on Thursday. Everything happens from the school because the children, they won't listen about the parents or maybe grandparents. The parents, they know yoga is good, praying is good, but the children won't listen. My child is eager to come to school every day because our curriculum is different. The child will come daily our school. And those words give us a motivation to continue working harder every single day. Because for us, success is not just about our achievements. Success is when a child becomes confident, curious, and happy to learn and happy to come to school. All of this becomes possible because of the dedicated efforts our dedicated teachers and the constant support from our parents. Education is always a partnership between school and family, and together we can shape a bright future of our children. Once again, I sincerely thanks to all the parents, those who came here. Every year we make the timetable will start at 4, but it has slowly becoming late because of technical issues. Today we got late. Sorry for the late parents. Once again, I sincerely thanks to all the parents for trusting us and being a part of this journey and of our Bachpan family. And next year it is going to be Annapurna Vidyaniketan High School. And to my dear parents, you are the heart of this school. Keep learning. Keep asking questions and never stop believing in yourselves. And one more thing I want to tell you at last. Every time on the progress day, PTM, I used to ask the parents the complaints from the parents. Achievements or not, enough for me. I need complaints. Then only I can get what is going on minus in the child. Before I conclude, I would once again like to express my gratitude to our respected Muhammad Ismail sir, the Assistant Deputy Officer, for taking time from his busy schedule to encourage our children with his presence today. Thank you all once again for being here and making this celebration special. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. ఇప్పుడు గవర్నమెంట్ తరఫున ఈ స్కీమ్స్ గురించి నేను మీకు చెప్పాలనేసి అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఆపార్ అనేది వన్ నేషన్ వన్ ఐడి మన గవర్నమెంట్ నేషనల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పాలసీ కింద ప్రతి ఒక్క పిల్లవాడికి ఒక ఆపార్ ఐడి ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతున్నది. సో దీనికి parents are requested to submit their children Aadhars to the concerned schools. ఈ స్కూల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్కి మీ పిల్లల ఆధార్ కార్డ్ కంపల్సరీ సబ్మిట్ చేయాలి. ఇది ఆపార్ అనేది ఒక డిజీ లాకర్. భవిష్యత్తులో పిల్లలకి నర్సరీ నుంచి అంటే పోస్ట్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ కానీ ఎంబీబీఎస్ ఎంటెక్ బీటెక్ పిల్లలు వాళ్ళ ఫ్యూచర్ స్టడీస్ కూడా ఆ డిజీ లాకర్లో ఫీడ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఐడి. మీరు చాలా సీరియస్ తీసుకొని ఈ ఆపార్ ఐడి మేడం గారు మీకు నెక్స్ట్ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ జూన్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే ముందు మీకు ఇస్తారు. అది కంపల్సరీ తీసుకొని పిల్లలకి ఐడి కార్డ్తో స్కూల్కి పంపండి. అండ్ ఆధార్ కార్డులో ఏమైనా మార్పులు ఉంటే కరెక్షన్స్ ఉంటే జాగ్రత్తగా తొందరగా చేసుకొని ఆధార్ కార్డ్ రీసబ్మిట్ చేయండి. ఆధార్ కార్డ్ సబ్మిట్ చేస్తేనే మీకు ఆపార్ ఐడి వస్తుంది గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా నుంచి. సో దీనివల్ల మనకు లాభం ఏంటంటే ఈ స్కాలర్షిప్ కానీ ఏమైనా బెనిఫిషన్స్ కావాలంటే ఈ ఐడి తోటి మీకు అన్ని బెనిఫిట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఈ ఆపార్ ఐడి లేకుంటే మీకు ఏమీ బెనిఫిట్స్ రావు మీ పిల్లలకి. ఈ స్కాలర్షిప్ అయినా సరే, మీ పిల్లలు సైన్స్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ అయినా సరే, మన గవర్నమెంట్లో చాలా రకరకాలుగా స్కీమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఈ స్కీమ్స్ బెనిఫిట్స్ తీసుకోవాలంటే మనకి ఆపార్ ఐడి కంపల్సరీ కావాలి. సో మీరు ఇమ్మీడియట్ ఈ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ అయిపోయి వస్తుంది కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ ముందు మీరు మేడం వాళ్ళని కాంటాక్ట్ చేసేసి స్కూల్ వాళ్ళని కాంటాక్ట్ చేసేసి ఆపార్ అనే ఐడి అనేది కంపల్సరీ తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
I would like to invite Rapolu Ramesh onto the dais. Congress leader.
valuable words. May I now request our dignitaries to kindly take their seats as we move forward with the culture program.
And welcome nursery students for Chanda Chamki song dance performance. Kritiya, Arpita, Sanvi, Havish, Aryan, Vyomakesh, Legit Kumar, Shivaksh, Kartikeya, Harshavardhan.
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकंदा चोर चींटी चाटी चीनी चटोरे चीनी खो चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकंदा चोर चींटी चाटी चीनी चटोरे चीनी खो कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना
चंदा चीनी चमके चाटे चौकन्ना चीखे चोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले सापा धारे गारे गमा पासा बम 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 बोले बम चिक बोले और मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे
Now, it is my privilege to invite our respected chief guest, Mutta Gopal sir, to kindly come forward and take a seat on the dais.
A hearty welcome to our Mutta Gopal sir, MLA of Murshidabad. When we established the school, when we have reopened the school, he is the one who opened the school. The last academic year also, he is one of the chief guests of our annual day. And today also, unfortunately, maybe it is our fortune, he has came as chief guest to our third annual day celebrations also. Maybe we have blessed with our Mutta Gopal sir. Thank you, sir.
The chief guest to kindly address the gathering and share a few valuable words with us.
Good evening to everybody. I am very much happy to see you all people here because Ramakrishna is my good friend and Principal Saranatha Madam also, she is doing well here. For the last 4 years, regularly coming for the annual functions only. Now also I came here annual function. But due to some prior engagements, I am going for other programs. But children are sitting here, many children are here. And this school has given very good name in the public also. And day by day, this strength is increasing like anything. So one more time, I am congratulating Mr. Ramakrishna and Swarnalatha. They are taking very much care about students and parents also very much happy with these services. So Mr. Ramakrishna Garu, Ramakrishna Garu, listen me. I am here to help you in all respects. If any problem comes from government, I take special care to solve that type of problems. And you appoint very good faculty, good teachers, then only the children will come up to their lives. Thanks a lot because due to some prior engagements I am going out. Namaste. Namaste to everybody. Namaste to everybody.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words.
Distribution for the academic excellence, class nursery first in class D. Manvik. PP1 first in class M. Tanishka. PP2 first in class Kritik Tej. Grade 1 first in class G. Tejasvi. Give them a big round of applause. as we move forward with the culture program.